Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log in or sign in into your Hulu account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open any of the web browser of your preference, and once you open it, you need to type in the URL www.hulu.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Hulu. So here, all you need to do is simply tap on the login option on the top right hand side of the corner, and once you do this, you will have to now enter your email. After you enter your email, you need to enter your password and hit the continue button to get signed in. However, if you're new to Hulu, then whatever email you type in and hit the continue button, you will be redirected to a create account page as your email address is not already registered in Hulu. So once you have typed in your email, you will end up in this kind of interface which will help you to create an account in Hulu. So by following all the on-screen prompts, you will be able to get logged in or signed in into your Hulu account. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again really soon. Thank you for watching.